In this video tutorial, we will explain it to you that how you can make the frequency table of your categorical variable. As you can see it here that we have loaded our clinical data set and stored this clinical data set in our data variable. We have also transformed the categorical variable into their appropriate state, which is a factor, as you can see it in the console. Now this is time to build the frequency table of the categorical variable. So let's build the frequency table of our first categorical variable, which is a sex. To build the frequency table, as we told you earlier, that we are going to use a function table. After typing the table, we will give the parentheses. And after typing the parentheses, we will type the name of the variable that is holding our whole data. And as you know, that the name of the variable is data. After typing the data, we will type the $sign and then we will select the variable in which we are interested in. Right now we are interested in as sex. After typing the sex, we will run this piece of code, and when we will run this piece of code, then look at the console. In the console, we are going to have a frequency table of the sex column. Here you can see that in this column, there are the 52 females and 48 males. Likewise, you can build the frequency table of the other categorical variables which are present in your dataset. We hope that now you will have a good idea that how you can build the frequency table by yourself in R.